Hi, I'm Cecil with Onyx Imaging. Today I was going to discuss with you the most common causes of paper jams that can occur with your Canon LBP654. And we'll start here. So the most number one cause, or one of the many causes of paper jams is, folks, it's always wise to fan and flex your paper before you install it, because sometimes pages will stick together and the printer will grab more than one. Second is, often folks will leave paper in the tray, can't see the back of the paper, and they'll just take another chunk and slide it in. Sometimes this pushes paper up into the back of the printer in such a way that you'll have paper underneath sticking up, and now the printer is trying to grab this paper that's trapped by what's stuck on top of it, and it'll give you a jam error. Another is every cassette has markings that show the recommended height of paper to be filled. Overfilling past that can override what helps the printer separate pages. So always fill properly. Another very common thing I see is folks will have their guides either too loose or too snug. If this has paper not where it's supposed to be, either holding it so where it can't be pulled, or it's so loose that it's not setting in the location where the rollers can reach. Last, if you've used your machine to an extent that you need to have a technician come and replace the rollers that have gotten worn and are no longer grabbing paper, please give us a call at Onyx Imaging and we'll be happy to help you.